In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. First thing you need to do is strip your wires. You might only have this little tiny bit to work with here, but if you strip your wires, you'll have a much larger piece to work with. So you just need a wire stripper. Squeeze and pull. Now we need to figure out which wire is positive and which wire is negative. So if we take our little battery, our CR2032 battery, and we find the positive side, it'll have a little plus on it. I think you can see that. And then you just put your wires on each side, and if it lights up, you know you got your positive wire on the positive side. So our positive wire is red. So I'm just going to mark it so I remember. That one's positive. And to find the positive side on the little battery housing, you put the battery in there, flip it to on, and then you connect the wires and see if the light comes on. If it does, you found the positive. So it's not that way, so we have to switch them. Oh, we saw it there. And if you put them on, you found the positive. So I'm going to mark this one as the positive. Now you see I got a lot of wire here to cover a lot of distance, but I don't need that much wire to wire through this small thing, so we need to cut off some of our wire. So I just moved my mark down here, and I'm just going to cut it off with the wire snips, and then I'll strip it again. Okay, so now you can just stick your LED light through the back. It's designed to stop it because there's a little lip in there. Just slide it through. There you go. Then you feed it through the arm. Like that. And then we're going to feed this up through the base with the wire pointing up. So when you put this on here, there'll be room inside there to store the extra wire before you push this up. All right, once you have your wires to about the right length, you just slip over some heat shrink tubing. Then wrap up your two positives together. It helps if you don't have really shaky hands like me. Then just push them over and then slide your heat shrink tube back over the exposed wire parts. Then heat it up to shrink it. Then you do the same thing with your negative. Now we see it's working. Now you can see this was designed with a little extra room up top so that you could wrap the wires inside there and then shove the battery casing up. like that. You have to glue this in place. That's the concept. So I'm going to take a little crazy glue and glue the satellite dish down. Then you just set it down on your base. It snaps right in. Then you can turn it off, just like that. Turn it on, just like that. I think I like the red one.